Today, we're focusing on Dave Ramsey, a titan in the world of personal finance, known for his straightforward approach to debt, savings, and building wealth. Despite his celebrity in the finance world, Ramsey practices simple, everyday habits that contribute significantly to his financial success, habits that many of us overlook. Tip 1. Mastering the art of substitution. Substitution goes beyond generic brand choices at the supermarket. It's about creatively finding alternatives for every aspect of spending. For example, substituting a gym membership with door workouts or online classes, or replacing cable TV with free digital content and library resources. The key is to assess every expense line to identify possible alternatives that cost less or nothing at all, without compromising on the quality of life. Tip 2. Embracing the slow-tech movement. Instead of chasing the latest gadgets, embrace the slow-tech movement by using technology as long as it serves its purpose. This involves resisting the urge for upgrades unless they're absolutely necessary, repairing devices instead of replacing them, and seeking out refurbished models. It's a commitment to mindful technology use, which significantly cuts down on electronic waste and saves a considerable amount of money over time. Tip 3. Adopting a minimalist wardrobe. A minimalist wardrobe, focusing on quality basics and versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, reduces the need for constant new purchases and simplifies decision-making each day. This approach saves money, reduces clutter, and fosters a sense of personal style that isn't slave to fast fashion trends. Tip 4. Implementing a waiting list for purchases. Before making any non-essential purchase, add the item to a waiting list and set a review period, such as 30 or 60 days. This delay curbs impulse buying, giving you time to consider if you truly need the item or if the desire passes. Often, you'll find that many items on the list lose their appeal over time, saving you the expense and potential buyer's remorse. Tip 5. Engaging in community exchange systems. Participate in or establish community exchange systems like time banks or skill swaps, where services and goods can be traded without the exchange of money. This can include anything from babysitting, gardening, tutoring, or home repair. It's a powerful way to meet community needs collectively while conserving financial resources. Tip 6. Cultivating a self-sufficient lifestyle. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Self-sufficiency can significantly reduce living costs. This might involve growing your own food, learning home canning techniques, making your own cleaning or personal care products, and developing DIY skills for home repairs. Each step towards self-sufficiency not only saves money but also enriches your life with valuable skills and a deeper connection to everyday living. Tip 7. Leveraging the power of nature. Harness natural resources to cut utility costs. Install solar panels, use rainwater harvesting for gardening, and maximize natural light to reduce electricity use. Embracing nature's offerings aligns with a sustainable lifestyle while yielding significant savings over time. Tip 8. Exploring alternative housing options. Consider unconventional housing options that can drastically reduce living expenses. This could include co-housing communities, tiny homes, house sitting, or even living aboard a boat. Each option presents unique ways to live well below the typical cost of traditional housing, offering both adventure and financial saving. Tip 9. Prioritizing experiential richness over material wealth. Shift the focus from accumulating material goods to collecting experiences. Prioritize spending on activities that enrich your life, like travel, learning new skills, or cultural events. Often, these experiences provide deeper satisfaction and long-lasting memories compared to material possessions. Tip 10. Mastering the art of frugal gifting. Gift giving can be a significant expense, but frugal gifting focuses on thoughtful, handmade, or experience-based gifts rather than costly items. Consider crafting personalized gifts, offering your time or skills like a free photography session or a homemade meal, or gifting experiences like a day out together that create memories without a high price tag. Tip 11. Practicing preventative health care. Investing in your health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and preventative care can save substantial money in long-term healthcare costs. While not always immediately apparent, the financial benefits of maintaining good health are profound, reducing expenses related to medical care, medications, and lost productivity due to illness. Tip 12. Transforming transportation habits. Rethink your transportation needs to cut costs significantly. This might mean using public transportation, carpooling, biking, or even walking instead of owning a car. For many, transportation is a major expense, and exploring alternatives can not only save money, but also contribute to a healthier lifestyle and reduced environmental impact. Tip 13. Embracing the library as a cultural hub. Libraries offer an incredible array of free resources beyond books, including access to digital media, tools, classes, and community events. Utilizing the library to its fullest can replace many paid services and subscriptions, from entertainment to lifelong learning. Tip 14. Rediscovering the joy of home entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to mean expensive outings. Rediscover the joy of home-based entertainment. Host game nights, movie marathons, or backyard camping adventures. These activities can provide immense fun and bonding opportunities at minimal cost. Tip 15. Conducting an annual financial audit. Take time each year to conduct a thorough review of your finances, including expenses, subscriptions, and services. This financial audit can reveal areas where you're spending on things no longer needed or used, allowing you to cut these expenses and redirect funds toward your financial goal. Tip 16. Investing in learning and growth. Allocate part of your budget to personal development, whether through online courses, workshops, or books. Investing in yourself boosts your potential earning power and personal fulfillment, making it a key strategy in the journey toward financial freedom. Tip 17. Exploring the world of free and open-source software. For your technology needs, explore the world of FOSS as an alternative to expensive software subscriptions. Many open-source options offer robust functionality for everything from graphic design to office productivity at no cost. Tip 18. Adopting a seasonal lifestyle. Align your activities, food choices, and even your home energy use with the seasons. This approach can lead to savings by taking advantage of seasonal produce prices, natural heating and cooling solutions, and seasonal activities that are often less expensive or free. Tip 19. Fostering a mindset of abundance through gratitude. Cultivate a daily practice of gratitude to shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This mindset of abundance can significantly impact your financial decisions, encouraging contentment with your current possessions and reducing the urge for unnecessary spending. Tip 20. Making financial independence a shared goal. Involve your family or household in the journey toward financial independence. Make it a shared goal, with everyone contributing ideas, efforts, and support. This collective approach not only distributes the responsibility, but also multiplies the creative strategies you can employ to achieve financial freedom together. These 20 tips delve into the deeper, less conventional aspects of achieving financial independence through frugal living. Each practice invites a reconsideration of traditional financial wisdom, encouraging a more creative, thoughtful, and sustainable approach to managing finances. By weaving these strategies into the fabric of your daily life, you embark on a rich journey not just toward financial freedom, but toward a more intentional, fulfilled existence.